Ganda about this, I am swapping out my spark plugs while I have the fuel tank off. I am adding some audio system, running some wires, and I decided, you know what, I'm going to do this since it's pretty much time. So I don't have my gapping tool, but I just eyeballed it and it looks like it's 32. So I'm just gonna set this one at 32 as well. I don't know if these are pre-gapped. All right, so let's go ahead and it looks pretty good. I mean, it's not that bad. So let's go ahead and put this new spark plug in. All right, so we set the torque wrench to, let's just set it to 8 foot-pounds. It calls for 133 inch-pounds. Convert that, well, it's 89 inch-pounds to 133 inch-pounds, so that's about 7 to 11 foot-pounds. So let's just go ahead and go 9. All right, 9 foot-pounds on the torque wrench for the spark plug. Now you're probably wondering, do you need anti-seize on this? The finish on this, you can see it's a chrome finish. You don't need it. If you have a dull black finish, then you're gonna need a little bit, but you don't need anti-seize on these spark plugs. They come pre-coated. If you put anti-seize, then you might have a false reading when you go ahead and start, getting these down to spec. You always want to make sure it threads on smoothly. If you have to do it by hand, do it by hand. You do not want to start cranking on this and start cross-threading these heads. All right, it's going to be a big major issue. So you always want to do it with your fingertips. They have to go in there smoothly. All right. Alright, so that's pretty much it. You really don't need the plastic fastener for this. You just grab your thumbs and just push it on in there and you'll hear it snap and you'll feel it snap. Same thing for the rear cylinder, rear jug, same thing. That's all four. You guys stay out there, stay safe. If you're wondering about the fuel tank, just watch one of my other videos. I have 2 videos on how to remove it, and it's sitting right over there. Alright, you guys stay out there, stay safe. Life's risk. Get out there and ride. Later.